Welcome to the heart of La Sierra Tarahumara, a destination where nature, culture, and adventure reveal themselves in every corner. Guachochi is a magical town nestled in La Sierra Tarahumara of Chihuahua in northern Mexico. It stands out for its mountainous landscapes and deep canyons, making it the perfect place to explore the region's natural and cultural wealth. The Chihuahua International Airport offers flights to Dallas and Denver, as well as connections to the country's major cities, such as Mexico City and Cancun. This connectivity allows both national and international travelers to reach La Sierra Tarahumara. Guachochi is accessible through various roadways, from Krill, Parral, Ciudad Juárez, and passing through the state capital of Chihuahua. In the heart of La Sierra Tarahumara, nature and culture intertwine to offer an authentic experience. The Raramuri heritage, deeply connected to its ancestral traditions, blends with an impressive ecosystem of mountains, canyons, and forests with an average annual temperature of 12 Celsius degrees. La Sinforosa, the viewpoint of Guachochi Deepest Canyon, features contrasting landscapes of forest and subtropical zones. It is the setting of the famous ultramarathon of the canyons. The Cañón del Jaguar is a breathtaking mountain and canyons, offers unforgettable scenery. Its name comes from the jaguar spotted in the area, adding a touch of adventure. Tonachi, a historic Jesuit village with waterfalls and rich culture, has tourist attractions like its ancient church, making it a memorable visit. The Kusarare waterfall, with a 30-meter drop, is one of the most beautiful in the state. Surrounded by pine trees, it can be accessed after a 2-kilometer walk. This beautiful lake, located in the city center, offers boat and kayak rides, surrounded by a regional flora, fauna, and an impressive sculpture of 2 herons. The mission of Norogachi, built in the 7th century, reflects the history and evangelization of the Raramuri people. Pinabetes is a natural park surrounded by forest and waterfalls, perfect for an outdoor activities like hiking. You can also visit the Rainbow Trout Farm, choose your trout, fish it, and enjoy it cooked at the local restaurant. Just 3 kilometers from the center, this natural rock formation, standing 30 meters tall, rises in a stunning canyon, ideal for hiking, horseback riding, and camping. Raramuri Holy Week, it's a unique cultural experience. Through rituals, dances, and colorful attire, the Raramuri celebrate their connection with nature and spirituality, inviting visitors to witness this ancient tradition. The culture of La Sierra Tarahumara, it's a living treasure. Woven crafts, colorful corn, pinole, desguino, and traditional dishes like trout showcase its cultural and gastronomic wealth. Guachochi is a paradise for adventure tourism. It offers thrilling off-road vehicle tours and mountain biking through stunning landscapes with rivers and waterfalls, an adrenaline-filled experience. Explore crystal-clear rivers, relax in hot springs, and marvel at waterfalls. Admire breathtaking views from the scenic overlooks. An unforgettable nature experience. Discover the new ecotourism park Cascada El Salto. Feel the thrill of rappelling next to the majestic waterfall of zip lining while enjoying spectacular views. We offer 55 accommodation options, ranging from hotels and cabins to impressive caves, providing a total of 514 rooms for those seeking a unique and unforgettable experience. Guachochi offers options like Stearman and El Melina cabins, nestled in the forest, and Summit Kawi with stunning views from the mountain peak, a truly unique lodging experience. Enjoy tranquility at El Tepehuan and Madre Luna, or the rustic charm of Mountain View. These cabins bring you closer to nature of the region. To make your stay unique, don't miss the chance to experience a plane flight. Admire the landscapes of La Sierra Tarahumara and its majestic canyon from above. Guachochi hosts numerous events throughout the year, especially in summer. These generate an economic impact that exceeds 30 million pesos. From gastronomic festivals and sport competition to extreme routes and traditional fairs, Guachochi events offer unique, adventure-filled experiences for everyone. The heart of La Sierra Tarahumara waits for you. Guachochi me encanta.